Welcome back to the Lottery Detective. Today we are working with the North Carolina, and this information is from February the 15th, 2017. The information we have is from midday and evening, also your three digits. Now, let me explain. The green information is your property of 9. We have the blue information that is based off of crossover numbers. And that's my final conclusion for my workout, because I'm going to look at my crossover information, my books, in order to see which numbers are indicating the strongest. Now, let me get started. Someone asked me this question. There's two ways you can look at your four-digit numbers. You can look at your first three digits and start with that doing your rundown with your 1, 2, 3, 1. Or you can look at your second part of your four-digit number, the last three digits. You can do the left to right, right to left. To me, it doesn't make any difference. But if you do from the back, if that's your favorite number, or you feel like you can work with that number better than the first three, which is triad, a unit of three, you can you can use this formula in this manner: the 1, 1, 2, 3, and that is what this rundown is about. And this is your regular rundown with your minus 1, 1, 1 and your plus 1, 2, 3, 1 here in this column. Now, I'm going to go ahead and jump over to evening to show you. I basically just did the 1, 2, 3, 1, adding in your minus 1, 1, 1, 1. Now, what we are looking for with these two reference here being referenced is the combination of how the numbers come out. Even if you use the 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, amazing enough, you're still going to come up with, in your minus column, pretty much your same numbers, because they do remain the same. But in reference to the 615, you're still getting the 504. The 161 will give you 050. So that's how amazing numbers are. And this is some of the things that really we need to watch for while we're doing our workout. I'm going to also show you here a couple of other things that I look for. Normally with the properties, you can take and do your properties and always look for the mate or the exact number in your minus column. The closest thing to a relative or a mate would be the 9493. And that's what I want to point out. It's also can be located in your minus column here. 9493, 4948. That's the closest thing to your family member of 8384. And a lot of time, as we do in the three digits, you want to look for the 480. In properties, the number will always be in your minus column, never in the plus, or you won't find them at all. And that's why every so often they will fall, because most of the time in primary, these are both primary numbers you're looking for in the minus are all your crossover numbers here, all except the ones that's missing on the right. So you have your 480 here, not in that order, but it's indicating that this is a crossover number. And the same thing really applies here. They are the properties of 9 will indicate your strongest link or indicator, which will most likely, if you did this number 24 different ways, you most likely will find a crossover that is pertaining to this family member. Now we have the 753, we have the 246, And these are your crossovers in red that are indicated in your two of your 3-digit rundown. Now, in your crossovers in blue for your 4-digit numbers, we took the 615, turned it around several ways, and these are some of the crossover you can look for in your rundown. And then also the 463, dividing both numbers up. The first part of the number, your triad, and your second part. And you will get the 130 family and your 410 family. And here's your 519 from last evening. Your 753 takes you back to your 531 family or your 031, and that's what you want to look for, because it appears that the 753 has the connection with the 463. So if anything, you may want to look for your 013 family, possibly for evening. And a lot of times your 4-digit numbers will indicate that, and you got crossover as being the 013 family in your 753 rundown. Okay, well, give it a few days. I posted a couple of numbers here, but on the last video, I think it was Florida, that number 1536 practically gave you the 8436 that was drawn here. So I would say your 1013 family would be your best bet over the next few days, if it hasn't already been drawn. And that's another thing. Always check your history to see if your numbers have come or if they are coming back. So thank you so very much for watching. If you have any question, leave them in the comment section.